It's a beautiful day here at Ransom Attachments, and I get the have the fun, call it basically a mental health morning of splitting some logs for a friend who's local and Firewood guy, and he's got what he calls problem children, and there's a couple of them right there. Just some large oversized product that's really hard to manage. But if you have a machine like this handy little Vermeer mini skid and a black splitter, I have the S2800 today, so we're gonna really have some fun doing some damage to some logs and hearing some good crack and popping. So hope you enjoy. Thank you. Well, in about 2 short hours, we really made some good work here, making a lot of big logs, a lot smaller and more manageable for this firewood company.